Introduction to text extraction from images.
Have you ever needed to copy text from a picture? With optical character recognition, or OCR, you can easily extract and convert text from JPEG images into editable documents. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use free online tools and apps to turn image files into usable text, step by step.
What is OCR and how does it work?
The optical character recognition OCR is a technology that analyzes images, detects letters and numbers, and converts them to editable text. OCR tools scan your JPEG image, recognize the printed words, and output them as plain text. This is useful for digitizing documents, notes, receipts, and more. Many free utilities make this process quick and accessible.
Choosing a free OCR tool.
There are several user-friendly free OCR solutions available. Popular options include Google Drive's built-in OCR, online OCR websites, and smartphone OCR apps. For most basic needs, uploading your JPEG to an online converter, such as onlineocr.net, or using Google Drive provides accurate and fast results.
Step by step, extracting text from a JPEG image.
To extract text, upload your JPEG image to the chosen OCR tool. For Google Drive, right-click the image and select Open with Google Docs. The detected text will appear beneath the image in an editable document. For online tools, simply upload the file, choose the output format like TXT, and download your converted text.
Tips for accurate OCR results.
For the best results, use clear, high-resolution images with minimal distortions. Avoid handwriting. OCR works best with printed or typed text. Review the converted text for errors, as OCR is not always perfect. Once extracted, you can edit, copy, or save the text as you wish.
Conclusion and next steps.
Extracting text from images is simple and free with OCR tools. Now, you can easily convert JPEG files into editable text for your documents, notes, or research. Explore more advanced features in different OCR apps for added convenience, like translating text or exporting it to different file formats.